signals. So let's get straight to the video of today. Today's video we're gonna make I don't know how long or how short. We're gonna try and speed it up so it's not too lengthy, but let's try to explain the decisions behind the options. So right here, obviously I see a nice trend. There is a little pullback and the price is going back up, so I'm gonna go ahead and use a call option for this one, 1 minute, and we started with $18, so let's wait for the results. Ooh, I think we just had a draw. So let's remake our option. I'm still positive this is what's happening, so let's do that. Good thing we had a draw. Let's wait for the result, guys. Alright, so here are the profits. $32 for now, 33 in total. So let's go and make our next option, $33. And let's go for this currency here. Alright, so this, well, actually there is I think this is a pullback. There was a bullish trend, and we'll go for a call option here. I think there is a bullish mood happening right now, so let's have a look. Although there is a pin bar there, the red pin bar. Well, let's see the results. I think we still have time. I think we can use this situation quickly before it could be a pullback actually on the bearish trend, but let's find out in a sec. Here is our second profit, guys, $62 on the balance already. We're gonna use that for our next option, and I'm just curious what's happening here. As you can see, I think the price is going back down, like it was a pullback of the bearish trend, you know, instead. So let's go and see the next currency. Right here I am going to go into short. Basically everything looks as a bearish mood, not much to invent at this point. There is a situation of a support level there, but I think we're gonna break this at least in a few minutes maybe. But let's see the results of this. And here is the profit, $112. Let's see, 111, nice number, and let's see if it's a lucky number. Let's go to our next currency. This here works out well, and the price is still going down. I mean, right now it's battling this support level. See if it breaks it or not. I don't think it will. Maybe in a few minutes, but not yet. What about here? So here I would go ahead and go into long. This looks like a pullback actually. There is a nice bullish trend overall, and hopefully we have time. The MACD actually, it's the MACD. It shows a different scenario. It shows that the price is going down, but obviously if it's a pullback it does. So this is sometimes we have to look also at the overall picture, not just this indication right now, because if we look at MACD, it's showing us to go into the short, but we went into the long because I think that overall the bullish trend is working here, and the MACD is just showing this this pullback as if the price was going down. Sometimes you look at it and it happens. The MACD or stochastic oscillator is going up and down. Obviously, it's hard to just work with those indications of these oscillators. And here we have the profit actually because it worked. And there, guys, $207 already. For the next option, we're going to use 200. Will we break this? Will we break this resistance level now? Let's find out. But we're gonna go ahead for the next option. And what's happening here? So this is, oh, as you can see, this was the one we used. Actually, it is a bullish trend starting. We're gonna go ahead and use a long here, because as you can see, this looks like a bullish trend started, and then this is a pullback of it. That looks as so. Okay, so let's wait for the result of this one, and hopefully we are correct. Here is our profit, guys. This is already some nice profit. Right, 381 on our balance. So let's go ahead and make, let's do a 360 for example. Okay, over here. This looks like a totally bearish trend. Let's just make a put option here for 360. Definitely a bullish impulse there. Okay. Yes, that looks good. That looks good. It's trying to break this resistance level of zigzag. So I think it will at some point, if it stops actually. So yeah, let's see. Let's see the results of this. Here is the nice profit already, guys. 673 from just this option. It's a pretty good profit from just one option, and all thanks to using this compound percentage, because we're using, I mean, we're investing into each next option the entirety of earnings of the previous one, so it makes it compound. So that's the good thing about it. It just starts growing so much. Each step, each option, it just starts growing so much. Okay, here there is definitely was a bull trend, and right here I'm actually gonna go and make a short. Why? Because if you look, the price had spent pretty long time in the overbought area of MACD, for example. If you look at it, it's right at the top, it's right at the maximums. So there is a moment where the price should be collapsing down, and I think it starts losing it there. As you can see, it was going up, and then it was going up pretty strong, and then it started losing it, and now it's going down a bit. Although it could be another little pullback, but we're gonna go ahead and go into that direction, and hopefully it works out here. Let's just put, I think it will. So as you can see, I'm already putting 1,000 in. So yeah, let's wait for the rest of the time. And here it is. It didn't wait long for that. So 1,222, excuse. So a nice lucky number, I hope. The 3 2s. Let's go to the next currency, and it's going to be 1,000. this has a kind of a pattern. I would go to I would go for a long here. So let's see. There is a kind of a pattern that it goes up and down, and obviously we can say that it probably will go up. So what it could have been a big, huge pullback of a bigger picture bull trends, but let's find out. Let's go for a call option here. Right over here, and let's wait for the result. Oh, this was a draw, guys. This was a draw. So let's make a next option. Let's do the same one. I mean, actually it started going down, didn't it? There's a support level there. We might bounce off here also. Let's just choose another one. I'm not too sure. Okay. Why don't we make a call option here? That should do it nicely. This one here. So there is a bullish mood here. Let's go with the call option here for 1001 minutes. Let's wait for the result. I'm excited about this one, so it looks interesting. Oh, here we have 1,900. It was 90% payout from this 1,000, which is really nice. $2,166. This is pretty good, guys. I'm positive this is great. So we had a pretty short session today. We're gonna stop here, guys. If you enjoy this content, don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. I'll see you all next time. Don't forget about the description to this video with all the links that I leave you, and good luck with your trading. See you next time. Bye.